Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Daisy's gift. I want to get you a gift, says Daisy. You do? Says Donald. Yes, says Daisy. But look, there is something for me. I see something else for me. Look, says Daisy. I see one more thing for me. Now let's find something for you, says Daisy. I do not see how I could carry it, says Donald. I see something for you, says Daisy. No, that's not for you, says Daisy. I see something else for you, says Daisy. That is not for me, says Donald. Wait, says Donald. Now I see something for you. You do? Says Daisy. What is it? Me, says Donald. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you all next time.